We landed in Melbourne last night and we decided that we're going to do a few days on the Great Ocean Road, which means that today on the between the Great Ocean Road and Melbourne we're stopping off at Sovereign Hill, which is this old gold rush town.
Designed for kids, apparently. That Charlie's booked us into.
We haven't booked.
Well, it's part of the trip, isn't it?
Yeah.
You planned it.
But it looks like fun. It lets our inner child out. And all of the adults say it's really good fun on TripAdvisor.
Yeah,
so...
and maybe we'll learn about the gold rush and Australian history as well.
And 90% of the booking of this was for him.
Sure,
He likes old style stuff, so...
Right, should we go in?
Sure.
Let's go in.
Done!
It's a musket firing.
Oh my god!
5 minutes ago.
Uh-oh!
Now, when I fire a projectile, there's a little problem. Because it is smooth boring. When I fire this, it is only accurate from about here to Reason Benjamin, but it can be, it's not too accurate, unfortunately. I'm going to place it onto what is called the nipple of the musket here. Firing in 3, 2, 1. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Now, before I let you all go, I'm going to ask you a question. I can load and fire this in 20 seconds. It's accurate for 90 yards. How fast can you run? Thank you, ladies.
You don't want to do anything before you get a pie?
No, first it's pie.
Best sausage roll in the colony, apparently.
Custard tarts.
Wow! Yum 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 yum. What have you got? What have we got?
Blueberry and apple pie, vanilla slice, and one pie for you.
Yum 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 yum.
He's blacksmithing.
Oh, okay.
I feel like we're walking around in Westworld.
It's very cool. It's very well done. The musket man was pretty fun.
I like the bit where there's no people. Not only because there's no people, but then the modern day outfits don't ruin it. So when it's just us, it's kind of like, it looks like you're in a time warp, doesn't it?
It's amazing.
Gold Commissioner tents. Ooh, this is where all the important people lived. Wow. Doesn't really seem like much.
a bowling saloon. Who's gonna win, Dan? Who's gonna win?
Oh yeah! All in one!
Are you saying ooh?
Madame de Saxe.
Psychic.
She's a psychic.
Oh.
Aw, ladies only?
Ha!
That's a bit sexist.
Well, back in the 1800s, things were a bit sexist, weren't they?
Yeah, but the right type of sexism, not the wrong kind.
There's a right type of sexism and a wrong kind.
Come on, time to get photos taken.
There's so much to do here. It's like Dan was getting really excited when he heard the blacksmithing going on. They have a proper nice bakery. The pies are awesome. We're gonna go get some photos done in old style later, which is very cool. We're gonna go and look at one of the mines now. Red Hill Mining. Let's go see the mine.
That's what I like to see.
They be timbered to protect water from unstable gravel.
There it is! Look at it! It's a miracle! A bloody miracle! Boys, come quick! I found one bigger than a house! Boys, come and lend me a hand! I need to get it out! Oh, yes! Jeffrey! What's happening? Oh, look at what's it what? Look, boy, look!
Ballarat's gold yield had seriously declined, and the discovery of this spectacular nugget provided welcome relief, so it was named the Welcome Nugget.
You look like you're ready.
How you doing?
I have no idea. You finding any gold, darling? You gonna make us rich?
Cool. I was born in the wrong time,
That's
wasn't I?
very cool. You were born in the wrong time.
Check that out. Nice.
Thank
Very-
you. Tiny and cute. Come on, come say hello. Come say hello to Charlie.
They look like sad ponies.
Yeah, they look very happy. I've never seen a pony stand so still.
Hello. Can I come into your house?
Yes, certainly. I'm most welcome, sir.
What are you doing?
Just husking some lavender. Just getting the dried, so it's finished, it's dried, and now when I can get it off the stems, we'll make the lavender bags.
Ah, okay. And what do you do with lavender bags?
Well, sir, in the 1850s...
Today?
Yes, indeed, sir. Today, we know that lavender has very strong medicinal quality because, sir, if somebody is ill, and let's imagine they had dysentery or something with some very foul vomitus and diarrhea and other things, if you inhale the bad humours, then you will become ill because you will be infected. So if you have a lavender bag to pop up your nose so you don't inhale the bad humours and you don't get the humours into your own body, then you will be protected from disease.
So you definitely need a lavender
Isn't that
bag.
just not smelling the disease?
Indeed, sir, yes.
But there'd still be disease there, it would just smell nice.
Yes, yeah, it would be disease there, but I wouldn't inhale it into my body. So I would not contract the disease.
Okay, we should get some lavender bags then.
Sure.
Okay, cool, thank you. Okay, let's go explore some more. Right, have a good day.
Thank you. That's what they actually believed.
Yeah.
It's like in Venice with the witch doctor masks.
Yeah, with the witch doctor noses.
Yeah.
They'd pack that with herbs,
Oh,
wouldn't they?
there's a young girl in that one.
Okay.
Okay. Walking into someone's house now.
Hello, can I walk into your house?
You're welcome to come in, sir. Oh, it's a very cosy house, this one. It looks nice and warm with the fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was just saying, thinking that, yeah. What are you doing?
I'm sewing. I'm making little bags for ladies to put their purses in, or their sewing, or their...
You should speak to your neighbour. She's doing loads of lavender to put in bags. She doesn't have the bags.
Oh, I have to do the bags for her.
So,
Then,
yeah.
we need to work out a trade.
Bringing people together. Yeah. Cool, right, have a good day. The wheel factory.
Yeah?
I don't know if you'll be able to hear me over the sound of the factory, but he is making these things. See this? Which are like the centre points of the wheel. So the spokes.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you very much. Welcome to the golf ball room. Now, already solid.
Oh my god. Wow.
Entirely solid in a very short period of time. It is at this point I would like to ask, who wants to race down here, grab a piece of gold, disappear at the door with it. For those of you who just put your hand up, I'm going to show you exactly why you would want to be able to do that. Because at approximately 900 degrees, So that gold now is going to take around about 2.5 hours to cook naturally. I know I love gold that much. I've got 2.5 hours to stand here.
Yeah, Sovereign Hill was amazing.
Absolute, very good fun.
Charlie
Yeah.
described it as like a kids kind of theme park thing,
Well,
which it
no,
kind of is.
the
a little
internet
bit.
describes it as a kids theme park thing. I said it was a town themed into like the old gold style towns.
Yeah, it is more kind of aimed at kids, but I had an awesome time.
Yeah.
I thought it was really cool. Gold pouring, we got these amazing pictures.
If you're up for bringing your inner kid out and having a childish fun day,
which is easily done for us.
then yeah, absolutely good fun. But if you're a teenager and still want to be grumpy, then it's not for you.